Alright, recording. Got it. I'm going to warm you up with a problem, and then we're going to try a harder one. This one looks fun. Okay, ready? This is a rhombus. A rhombus kind of looks to me like a diamond, to be honest with you.
Yep.
If this is x, what is this? Or no. This is 60 degrees. This is x. Find x.
That's 60.
It's 60. Because a rhombus really is also the same as a parallelogram.
So yeah, so this one.
Yes, very good. A parallelogram has the opposite sides, the parallel sides, to be equal to each other. But since it's a rhombus, it has a very specific property, namely this. What did that mean?
Everything's equal.
Everything's equal, it's just slanted. It's like we took a square and we just kind of slanted it.
Gosh.
Yeah. You need to work on your drawing skills.
So hard.
Alright. Okay, let's try this one. And so, a rhombus is a parallelogram. It has a lot of the same properties of a parallelogram, but the difference is this side is equal to that side is equal to that side is equal to that side. The lengths of the sides are different. So this is 130 degrees. What is that angle?
130 degrees.
What is that?
130 degrees.
This is 130 as well? No.
Wait, no. Oh, it's 50.
Good. Because those add up to be 180.
Yep.
Alright, here's the harder one. Ready? Okay. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to say this is 55, and this is Z. What is Z?
This is an equilateral triangle.
No, it's not an equilateral triangle. If it were an equilateral triangle, that wouldn't be 55. That would be 60. Not an equilateral triangle. Do you see a rhombus?
Yes.
Show it to me. What did you show? I don't understand. Show me the corners of the rhombus.
This one. Wait, this one and that one.
Show me all four corners of the rhombus. Yeah. Good. Alright, so it's a big rhombus. And it's been cut in half.
Yep.
Okay.
So we don't really need the other one.
Let's see. What is...
125.
Actually, I'm trying to think of how to solve this problem.
Wait.
Actually, I can't think of how to solve it. Now that I'm looking at it. Here.
Yeah, I was saying, oh wait, it's just 180, but I was like, wait, no.
No. Let's see. I think this is might be a tough problem. Let me try it. Let me try it. Okay. This right here is the same as Z. This is angle Z, that's angle Z. Okay? I know this is 55. Alright? I know that yeah, I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to solve this. Because there's no rhombus property that says if I add up the angles over here and here, I'll know that that's equal to 180. That's not a property. So I'll be honest with you, I can't think of how to solve this one. They don't give you enough information to solve it. That was tough. All right. Here we go.
So what would it be?
What is that?
So what would it be? Is there like, can anybody solve this problem?
No, not with the information that they gave us. I don't think they can.
I guess you could, do that.
Well, let me think.
Yes.
Let me think.
This entire rhombus is 300.
So you know that this is 55, and I know that this is Z. And I'm looking for Z, right? Oh, actually, I can tell you what it is. I know exactly. That makes sense. All right. Watch. You're going to trip out. It's going to be easy. Because I told you it's a rhombus, draw in for me the equal signs on the sides. That one? Yeah. Uh-huh. No. That would be drawing it if it were a parallelogram. I'm telling you that they're a rhombus. It's a rhombus. So a rhombus has all the sides equal to each other.
It's 55?
Well, all the sides are equal to each other, right? So you got this, all of these sides are equal to each other for a rhombus. You get it? Do you see a triangle?
Yes.
I see two of them. It would be, here's one of them, right? Now you were trying to say that this is equal to that is equal to this line, but I told you that's not true. But I definitely can say that this is equal to that, right? What kind of triangle is this?
That's an isosceles.
It's an isosceles triangle. So an isosceles triangle, what do you know about this angle?
It's the same.
So what is Z?
It's 55.
That's what it is. That's how you do it. Cool. All right. In a trapezoid, let's see. In a trapezoid, A, B, C, and D,
Wait,
B and
what's the end?
A and D is parallel to B and C. Find angle A, B, C, and C, D, B. All right. So a trapezoid has two lines that are parallel. And in this case, let's pretend that this line is parallel to that line. I might have drawn it a little bit ugly, but let's pretend that that's the case. Got it? All right. So here's A, B, C, D. This angle is 50. This angle is 120.
And this one.
All right. Let's see. If I were to draw this line right here, and I were to continue it on like that, okay? Maybe we'll make it a little bit straighter. Here, this is
I don't get that.
watch. So, you start off with two parallel lines. Let's pretend those are parallel. Okay? And then I'll cap them off like that. This is a trapezoid. Because this line is parallel to that line. I can't say anything about the lengths because this length is not the same as that length for sure.
Yep.
Right? As long as it has one parallel pair of lines, we're talking about a trapezoid. Does that make sense? Ben?
Yep.
Okay. So let's say this is 50 and this is 120. Watch this. If I were to extend this thing out this way to go off a little bit further past there, what could you tell me about this angle right here?
This one. 50.
It's 50. The reason being is because see this straight line like this? Okay? Here, hold the ruler. If I have two parallel lines and it crosses at this angle this way, since this line is exactly parallel to this line over here, this should cross at the same angle. Does that make sense? Okay. So we know that's 50. But what I asked for is, what is this angle right here?
120. Oh, wait. It is 130.
Good. 130. And you don't need this. What about this? What's that angle?
This would be 50.
Why is that 130?
Because this is 180.
No. See this angle right here?
Mhm.
It's the same as this angle over here. Just like this angle right here is the same as this angle right here.
So it's
So this is 120.
that's 40. I mean, 60.
Good. Good. So each pair of angles between the two parallel sides add up to be 180. Because 150 plus 130 is 180. 120 plus 60 is 180. You get that?
Yep.
All right, here, let's try this. I'm going to pause it.